way to finish the seams on your sewing project is to use the zigzag stitch. This will neaten and strengthen the seams and stop them fraying. Here's how to do it. Stitch your seam as normal, then trim it down a little, leave around 7mm or 1/4 inch to accommodate the zigzag. Set your machine to the zigzag stitch. I'm making my zigzag 2.5mm long and 3.5mm wide. Not essential, but I would recommend getting an overedge, overcast or overlock foot, which will help you land the zigzag in the right place. It may have been included with your machine. It has a little guide on it like this. If you don't have this presser foot, use one with a wide hole in the middle. Line up the raw edges of the seam allowances so they're flush against the guide. Or if you don't have this foot, position the fabric so the right hand side of the zigzag lands on or just inside the edge of the fabric. Slowly turn the handwheel towards you to make sure the needle isn't going to hit the foot. If it does, adjust the zigzag width. Once you're certain the needle is steering clear of the presser foot, you can put your actual foot down on the pedal and start stitching. Some machines will happily back tack or reverse stitch when zigzagging, others will knot up the threads, in which case you can tie the thread ends in a double knot by hand. And that's it, a simple way to finish your seams.